Dr. Todd Shatkin, the most trusted name in cosmetic dentistry in Western New York. A nationally recognized expert in mini dental implant technology, Dr. Todd Shatkin has trained over 9,000 dentists from around the world in his patented mini dental implant procedure. Dr. Todd Shatkin has personally installed over 10,000 mini dental implants, serving Western New York area patients with not only state-of-the-art facilities, but the highest quality of customer service. Dr. Todd Shatkin, award-winning skill, world-class reputation, wonderful results.
FIRST stands for Fabricated Implant Restoration and Surgical Technique. This is my patented procedure that I developed in 2002 and that well over 9,000 dentists throughout the world are now using. Shatkin FIRST is a consulting mini dental implant laboratory. We provide free case consultation for dentists all around the globe to help you make sure your procedure goes smoothly from start to finish. We also supply you with the mini dental implants that you need for the case. After I review your case for you complimentary, I will recommend certain sizes and diameters of implants for your procedure. And we do this as a service for our customers. And then we can also provide you with surgical guide stents to help guide the implant in the proper position and then follow through with the required laboratory procedures, whether it be crowns, bridges, or dentures for that patient's restoration.
One of the biggest things that sets us apart from other laboratories is the fact that we train the dentist on how to do the mini implant procedures. We have continuous courses throughout the year in cities all around the country. So a dentist from anywhere in the United States can find a location close to them, take a 1 or 2 day seminar and be fully certified on the mini dental implant procedures that we offer. And then it goes beyond that. After the training, they have complete access to me, whether it's by email, by phone, or in writing. I will personally work with them on their cases and hold their hands throughout the process, even if they're in the middle of surgery and they need help. In most cases, I'm accessible to them.
At Shatkin FIRST, what we pride ourselves on is the customer service end of our business, okay? We know that we have Dr. Shatkin, we have a superior lab, and we have a very good mini implant that we sell. But we all take pride in having doctors come out to our learning facility here in Buffalo or throughout the country, wherever it's convenient for them to come. But we want to grow with them in their practice, okay? We want them to have success placing mini implants. The doctors that work with us today are in the 90th percentile of success with us, so we want to keep those numbers up, and we want to have a long-lasting relationship. We don't want to just sell them a kit, okay, you're on your way, nice meeting you, best of luck to you. We're the complete opposite as a company. What we want to do is we want to work with you day in, day out if need be. If you need a case rushed, we'll do that. Whatever the case is, we're going to make sure that we work as hard as possible to get you the best outcome of the case. That's our goal. Your success is our goal, and we're going to stick with you through the whole process.
Dr. Shatkin's personal assistance on the implant cases are really second to none. I started my office at about 5:45 in the morning, and I've actually called him on his cell phone at 6:30 to ask him a question and gotten him on the phone personally. Whenever I've had issues and he's not around, there's always somebody around that can give me the answer. I've never been caught in a place where I was at a loss to do something when I shouldn't have been, because they were there to help us.
The success I've experienced since doing mini dental implants is, I can sum it up in one sentence: it's changed my life. It's made a huge difference in the impact in my dentistry, huge difference in my patient care, and has taken the stress out of dentistry by having Shatkin FIRST Lab on my side.
All dentists should be placing and using mini dental implants in their practice, because it gives them an option that they don't have with your regular conventional implants.
Mini dental implants has been the single most important practice thing that I do in my office today. Without mini dental implants, my business would be about 50% of what it is today.
My experience with mini dental implants, and particularly Shatkin FIRST, started 11 years ago. Dr. Shatkin was my mentor, so I got to come up and visit Todd in Buffalo in his training center. And I spent several years and certainly developing my craft over the time. We've had 96% success rate with the mini dental implants. In my practice, it's certainly the reason that we are who we are today, and we appreciate their help not only with the fabrication of the restorations, but the entire process from training to education to follow-up to the quality of care that we receive from that outfit.
I love the assistance Dr. Shatkin gives us during my cases. I've been doing the mini dental implants for about 8 years now. I've placed over 6,000 of these in the mouth with the assistance of Dr. Shatkin. I don't think I would have been able to do it without him. So again, it's changed my life and the way I practice dentistry.
I'd like to say that the Shatkin First family has been a life changer for me and for other dentists I've met in this program. It's been a life changer for my patients, and I'm really pleased to be involved with this family.
So I'm very fortunate that I have the ability to pass on what I know about mini implants to all of you, and I really hope that you'll participate in one of our continuing education programs, get on board with mini implants, and offer these great procedures to your patients, because I know they will benefit from them and they will appreciate you for it.